Welcome back to Smart Money Monday. Today we're going to speak with Brandi Smith from Bank of Hawaii about improving our credit score. Hi Brandi, so fix our scores. What do we do? How do we even start?
Well, before you can repair your credit score, you need to know exactly what your score is by getting a copy of your credit report.
Makes sense. Where do we go?
Well, there are 3 credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. You can get a copy of your credit report at each of the bureau's individual websites for free once a year.
So once you get your actual credit score, what can you do to repair it?
Well, the first thing is to check for errors. One study found that a quarter of consumers have found mistakes on their report. Also, be sure that the files contain all of your accounts. If your report is missing accounts that you paid on time for years, that could hurt your score.
So what if we go through it and we find mistakes? What then?
Then you would send a copy of the mistakes to the companies that shared your information with the credit bureaus and to each bureau. They're legally required to fix the mistakes.
What's the key to repairing your credit score?
Pay your bills on time every month, especially loans. And try to stay current on your rent, utilities, and cell phone bills. Missed payments can remain on your credit history for 7 years.
What about credit cards?
So try not to max out your credit card. If you can, keep your balances at 30% or less of your credit limit. For example, if you have a $10,000 credit limit, try to keep your balance below $3,000.
Is it a good idea to go back and cancel some of your old credit cards that you haven't used?
Well, not necessarily. If you've had a credit card for years with little to no balance, keep it. Credit bureaus like to see that you've maintained an account for a long period of time.
So the bottom line is, it's not a hopeless mess. You can improve your credit score.
Absolutely. It's a long-term process, but with on-time payments, sticking to a budget, and not adding new debt, your score will improve.
All right, mahalo, Brandi. Thanks for the explanation and the advice into improving this.
Thanks for having me, Steve.
Thank you, and thank you for watching Smart Money Monday.